Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make animation using Gohighlevel. So follow through. Let me log into one. So just come to site, either your landing page, your funnel, or your website. So I'll just use anyone as an example now. So just click on edit. So still waiting for it. So all you have to do is come to settings, you come to tracking code, then footer tracking code. So I'll give you the code. So all you just have to do is you paste from here to this, then you cut this out. This is going to your CSS. So I can use Ctrl S. So here at times you can just type script to make sure it's working well as a script. Then I close it. Then I click on save. Then I come to my CSS. So I can put that there, so I can just delete these notes. So I copy this review. Now any element I want it to slide in or fade in, I just put the code here. It might be this section, but mind you, you won't see it again. It's going to disappear. You can see. But once you preview, it's going to work. So I can put it on this as well. So I only add them when I'm done editing. And you can use it for elements as well instead of your section. So you click on save. Then I preview. You can see. So that's how it works. Thank you.